Google has been our go-to for over 2 decades. But with ChatGPT now handling research, writing, and more, a question comes up. Should you still Google it, or just ask ChatGPT? In this video, we're breaking down the differences between ChatGPT and Google for research, when to use each, and how to combine them like a productivity pro. Whether you're a student, business owner, or just curious, this will change how you research forever. ChatGPT versus Google. Which should you use? Let's start by understanding what each tool is built for. Google is a search engine. It finds information that already exists on the web, then shows you links. ChatGPT is a language model. It doesn't browse live websites. Instead, it was trained on massive data and uses patterns to generate responses, summaries, or explanations. So while Google gives you sources to explore, ChatGPT gives you immediate answers and interpretations. Think of Google as a map, and ChatGPT as your tour guide. Use Google when you need up-to-date information, like news, trending topics, or events. You're looking for specific sources, websites, or citations. You want to compare multiple opinions or viewpoints. You're verifying something you got from ChatGPT. Google is great for depth, sources, and accuracy, as long as you're willing to sift through links. Use ChatGPT when you want a quick summary of a complex topic. You're doing brainstorming or idea generation. You're short on time and need clarity fast. You want to break down technical or dense information in plain language. ChatGPT shines when you're researching for understanding, drafting outlines, or trying to process information faster. Now here's the real secret sauce. Use Google to collect data. Use ChatGPT to process it. Here's how. Search a topic on Google. Copy key points, quotes, or stats. Paste them into ChatGPT and say, "Summarize this," or "Turn this into a blog outline." You'll save time, understand faster, and produce better output. Important: ChatGPT doesn't know everything. It can hallucinate facts, give outdated data, or sound confident but be wrong. That's why fact-checking with Google, or Bing, or your preferred search engine, is still a smart step. Think of ChatGPT as your research assistant, not the final authority. So Google or ChatGPT? Combine them, and you'll work faster, smarter, and with more confidence. Now that you know when to use ChatGPT and when to use Google, your next step is learning how to use prompts that save you hours. Watch the next video in this playlist to get 5 times saving prompts that'll make you look like a genius. And hey, if this helped you, like, subscribe, and drop your favorite research tool in the comments.